Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Camping Cot is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, offering a comfortable and elevated sleeping surface that keeps you off the cold, hard ground and away from pesky insects. Whether you're setting up camp in the wilderness, enjoying a backyard sleepover, or need an extra bed for guests, a reliable camping cot can significantly enhance your comfort and overall outdoor experience, ensuring a restful night's sleep no matter where your adventures take you. This review will dive deep into what makes a camping cot truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your next excursion. Number 5. Coleman Trailhead 2 Large Folding Cot. Introducing the Coleman Trailhead 2, the perfect solution for comfortable outdoor adventures. Its robust design ensures reliability wherever you go. Setting up camp has never been easier. This cot offers a quick and simple setup, providing a comfortable elevated sleeping surface in minutes. Engineered with a strong crossbar steel frame, it reliably supports adults up to 300 pounds and a height of 6 feet 2 inches. Rest assured, it's built to handle your needs. Enjoy ample space with its generous dimensions, offering a comfortable place to rest. When it's time to pack up, it conveniently folds to fit in most car trunks. Ideal for camping trips, lounging in the backyard, or providing an elevated sleeping space for guests. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any situation. We stand by our quality. This product comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This one boasts a robust steel frame that can support up to 300 pounds, making it incredibly durable. If you need a reliable and sturdy cot that's built to last for years of camping trips or guest stays, this is a fantastic choice. Its straightforward setup and takedown also mean less hassle after a long day outdoors. What people say. This cot is incredibly easy to set up and take down, making it perfect for camping trips. The sturdy construction provides excellent support and comfort, even for heavier individuals. It folds up compactly, which is great for storage and transport. Number 4. Intex Cozy Kidz Inflatable Airbed. Introducing a cozy airbed designed for children aged 3 to 10. It comes in fun assorted colors, providing a comfortable space for them to snuggle up and sleep soundly all night long. Experience superior comfort with its patented fiber-tech construction, offering improved durability and support. The velvety soft surface ensures your child stays nice and cozy for the best sleep. This airbed is ultra-kid-friendly and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. It's the perfect solution for trips, sleepovers, and even nap-time adventures. Storage and transport are a breeze. Simply fold the deflated airbed and place it inside the convenient carry bag included. Intex is committed to the highest safety standards in all its products. Enjoy affordable, innovative, and long-lasting products designed for your peace of mind. What we like. Designed specifically for children, this inflatable airbed offers a cozy and fun sleeping space. If you're looking for a comfortable and easy-to-transport sleeping solution for your kids on sleepovers, camping trips, or even just for a special backyard adventure, this is perfect. Its soft, velvety surface ensures they stay snug all night long. What people say. The 7-inch thickness is also very comfortable. The mattress was blown up and ready in just a few minutes using an air compressor we brought with us. It held up great for 5 nights. Number 3. ABORON 28 Extra Wide Camping Cot. Experience superior comfort with our camping cot, designed for ultimate relaxation. It features a soft, detachable pad for added coziness, perfect for any adventure or even a restful night at home. Forget complicated assembly. This cot unfolds in under 10 seconds, no tools required. Folding it away is just as simple, making it incredibly convenient for travel and storage. Crafted from premium, double-layered 1200D Oxford fabric, it's built to last and easy to clean. Enjoy a breathable surface in warm weather by simply removing the pad. With an extra-wide 28-inch surface, you'll have plenty of room to rest comfortably without feeling like you might roll off. The sturdy steel frame ensures stable support for a peaceful sleep. We've engineered this cot with your comfort in mind. The crossbar is positioned lower than the fabric, so you won't feel any pressure points, ensuring a truly restful experience. Whether you're camping, traveling, or need an extra bed for guests, this portable folding bed is your perfect solution. It easily fits into the included carry bag for on-the-go convenience. What we like. This cot stands out with its extra-wide sleeping surface, offering more room to stretch out. If you're someone who likes to spread out or are prone to rolling off narrower beds, this wider option provides superior comfort and stability. The included detachable pad adds versatility for different weather conditions. What people say. The extra-wide design provides plenty of space to stretch out comfortably, making it ideal for adults who want more room than standard cots offer. The heavy-duty 1200D Oxford fabric feels strong and supportive, with no sagging even after extended use. The frame is solid and stable, giving great confidence that it can handle regular use without wobbling or creaking. The cot is easy to fold and unfold, and it comes with a carry bag, making it very portable and convenient to store or transport. Number 2. Slsy Folding Camping Cot with Pad. Introducing the Slsy Folding Camping Cot, your perfect partner for any adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need an extra bed at home, this cot is designed for your comfort. Forget complicated assembly. This cot unfolds in seconds, making it incredibly easy to set up and take down. Its lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere with ease. Designed for convenience, its compact folding feature allows for easy storage and transport. It's ideal for both outdoor excursions and indoor use when guests arrive. Enjoy a cozy sleep with the included removable mat. This soft pad adds an extra layer of comfort and warmth, making your rest more enjoyable. Crafted with a robust square anti-rust steel frame and durable double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth, it offers superior strength and longevity. It reliably supports up to 900 pounds. Looking for a practical gift? This cot is an excellent choice for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also great for a quick nap at the office. What we like. Featuring a premium 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot is built for exceptional durability and wear resistance. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and a cot that can withstand frequent use, this is an excellent option. It also supports up to 900 pounds, offering peace of mind for a wide range of users. What people say. The mat cushion isn't super thick, but it is cozy. They are super easy to assemble, and the mat actually has little straps to hook to the corners of the cot so it stays on place. The sleeping surface is very heavy-duty material with no cross seams to dig in and be an irritation during the night. The cot was easy to assemble with the instructions that are included. The cot is durable and sturdy. I found it comfortable laying on it on my side and back, there was good support. Number 1. ATORPOK Camping Cot with Cushion. Experience ultimate comfort with our camping cot. It features a soft, removable cushion for added luxury, or you can remove it for better airflow on warmer nights. Designed for convenience, this cot folds down easily into a compact carry bag. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you for a comfortable place to rest. Rest assured with its durable steel frame and X-shaped structure, providing exceptional safety and stability. It's built to support up to 450 pounds with ease. Crafted from strong, breathable 600D polyester, it offers water resistance and is simple to clean. Enjoy a comfortable rest that helps reduce back soreness. Keep your essentials close at hand with the large side pocket. Store your phone, water bottle, or other small items for easy access while you relax. What we like. This cot comes with a comfortable, removable cushion for added luxury and support. If you're looking for a cot that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing sturdiness, this is a great pick. The convenient 3-in-1 side pocket is a thoughtful touch, keeping your essentials like your phone and water bottle within easy reach. What people say. I'm a bigger guy and it felt sturdy and supportive for me. Easy to set up and a great option for camping or extra sleeping space. Nice and long for anyone to fit on. Very sturdy. Easy setup and break down. The trick is to not wrap the padding around the frame like you pulled it from the packaging. You must fold it and stuff it in the center of the cot and everything will fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.